Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading and the MOJO Day Trading Show. Gonna show you how the spreads don't matter for the pro traders. We're gonna kick the market's ass. Even with those spreads, we beat the market. Show you how we do that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you tuned into the MOJ. Awesome. So guys, listen, hope you had a great day, great night yesterday. Show you what we did in the MOJO Day Trade room for trading. PPDF is about the Heinz $8. Look at this one, guys. Live. Paul Don Frank right here. See it? $7.99 right at Heinz. See that? I think I may pick up some of this going through. It just came on a little V-band spike on 862,000. Let me put it out in the room. This little, I already made 1,500 today, folks. Everything's transparent in the day trade room. Look, I just put out this. Look at this, Heinz. I'm watching right here for a possible Heinz move. I got my little Heinz right here. See, a little bottle right there. Little bottle, catch. It's already up a bunch, but look, they want it. Shit'll go here and drop right back down. It may go through, but there's not enough volume to push it through real high, so we're gonna have to pass on that. Pass, low volume. See, low volume, pass. Gave it out. That's what we do. Watching, that's all. Low volume. So let's go look at some other things, what we did in the MOJO Day Trade room, and how we made money today, even with the spreads. Even with the spreads, man. Even with the spreads, we kick ass in the market. Now, if you don't see the spread, don't trade it. Look, I'm live right there. Very detailed in the room. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click it right down there. You get an email every single time I'm live. Every single time. So I come in here for the morning routine, which is the same every time. I scan for the hottest momentum stocks and get ready all on that action right there. And I want to show you right here, this is getting a lot of action. I just put this up the other day, which is my MOJO Day Trading School right here, which is $9.98. It's free. And guys, this is what you got to take advantage of right here. Go right here to mojodaytrading.com and click download the course. It's my profit system. Right here. Scroll down, and it's my day trading school right here. See, I got the MOJO Day Trade Playbook. When you get through half of the live MOJO University course to become a pro trader, I teach you many trade plays and supply you a detailed trade playbook on execute setups from buys to sells. Don't hesitate to know my teaching is top notch. That's why so many traders succeed. My next class at MOJO University starts soon, so send me an email for your seat. And here's the Heinz trade play. Learn this and many other trade plays. This is the Heinz right here. It doesn't matter what the even number is. Works with unbelievable consistency on a Heinz 10,000 challenge right there. And learn what the Heinz is. And then the Hulk. Teach you what the Hulk trade play is right here. Hulk's a good trade play. Not loading. Gonzo. Weird. Lemon squeeze. All these trade plays. Supposed to be right in there for you. Take a look, see why they're not. Look at one of them behind the Hulk. Yeah, because there's no file in there for some reason. It didn't save. Didn't save. I'll show you what the Hulk is though. So if you come back here for the Hulk, there's the Hulk, see? 3 gamma bars of radiation on the Hulk. And then I call out a trade play called the Hulk trade play right there. And I got another one called the Gonzo. And this is the Gonzo. Gonzo's really cool. So the Gonzo's right here. There's the Gonzo. See? Beautiful. So it's so cool that Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. It's a pre-move indicator inside the level 2, resulting in a really, really big win. Let me get the lemon in there now. Show you the lemon. So that's that. And then you got the lemon squeeze right here. There's the lemon squeeze. And then the V-band. These are all in there now. Here, the V-band trade play. That's this one. This is a good one. The V-band, the 1 minute bar ignites the trade play on the V-band. Learn this in level 6 of Mojo University. That's a really good one. You want to see one that works 100% of the time? A trade play that works every single time. It's the next one. It's called the WOW trade play. W-O-W, the WOW. Check it out. So the WOW trade play is really cool. The WOW trade play. All someone has to do is say wow in the Mojo Day Trade room and watch out. I'm going to definitely call that trade. That's called the WOW trade play. It's a really good one and it works 100% of the time. It's amazing. I have another one called the tag along, which is this one down here, the tag along. Right there, the tag along. Get with the leader and tag along for the ride. I show you that one. Mojo 10 best videos of all time, right here. And then I have a Mojo University live class from Tuesday, June to July of 2018, 1997. I'm going to be gearing up for that live class. So I'd say in the last month, out of the several hundred people that have taken the school, which I've given for free, you have the ability to step up. I'm going to have a small class of only probably the biggest I have is 30 because I need to get in touch with one student a day and learn all about them and help them out. And this is all about it, so you can read all about it in here. Complete and continue. Mojo Day Trading School. All these, the quizzes. Check it all out, folks. It's awesome. My trading plan. Came into the morning right now. Cryptocurrency Coinbase is going to lure in the big institutions. Of course it is. So I have this Coin Citadel mining. Coin Citadel, which is quite the disappointment in the news. Here's their news. And they even have a spelling error. It took them so long to come out with this news. No mention of no Bitcoin, no mention of nothing. And they made a spelling error. They wrote non-share diluted agreement instead of non-dilutive. Very disappointing to say the least. Then I picked AYTU. Look, the WoW trade play. It went higher. So they have making a website coming out soon called Coin Citadel Mining. So I went in and it's available. So I bought it. CoinCitadelMining.com, and it's already worth $377. I'll sell it for 10 times that for sure. Like this MOJO Litecoin that I bought for $10 is worth $1,232. This is part of my other company, MOJO Miners. Right here. Made an investment in like 10 of these. And they're all worth over $1,000. CLWT, see the spread? I really didn't like it, but I wanted to make a move into $5 at 465 on the open, at 929.59 right on the open. Didn't like the spread, but again, even with the spreads, pro traders can beat the market. So the spread was incredible on this one. 460 by 65 right on the open on CLWT. Look what happened. Let me scroll back. It made a huge move to 595, 625, 640. So do the math. It went 640 minus 465 is $1.75 in 5 minutes, and you had 1,000 shares of that move. That's $1,750 profit. That's nice. You did that one. Then I called out Sorel Auto Parts through 650. See what Sorel did. It went to 688 right there on the open. So it made a blast through, 30 cents, you made money. CLWT, it sure did rip. That's what it did. Boom, Heinz. Let's see if people made money on that. There's CLWT from 460. Get rich or die Bitcoin mining. Zcash is, wait till I show you the Zcash. So CLWT is ripping. MYND, see the spread's too big. 340 by 54. Can't do it. The spread's too big. You know what I mean? The spread on the stock, the gap in between the bid and the ask, it's like freaking big, so you can't trade it. It stands out like a sore thumb. But even with the spreads, pro traders beat the market.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Well, yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I come right back over here. It's the eye of the tiger, baby. Cream of the fight. Eye of the tiger. Gotta love the eye of the tiger. Gotta love it. So CLWT and Heat Biologics doing really good on the open. Let's take a look at HTBX, which we got right on the open. HTBX made a beautiful move on a 6-bar green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On Heat Biologics, what did I make? $20. Woohoo! That was a big one, baby. We got, what else we got? D-Gas, 24.93. Trickery coming down on the ask. It's like this guy's like, dude, let me show you the chart guy. I'm like, dude, this thing's going to either go through or look, he's bringing it down. 400, slow. Wait. Look, he's bringing it down. Same guy. So we're going to get filled on the bid with him. See, I had this message with him right here. Silver Rider. Right here. This is my confrontation today with Silver Rider. Dude, you're in trouble. You'll never make money. All right, let me show you. So he comes right here and he's like, this is what he sends me. Harmony. It's going to go from here and it's going to go woo. So I'm like, okay, let's take a look. He's day trading Harmony. Said bad. It's red. Trends down. No money to be made. Descending triangle. Very bullish. Descending. You know what that is? That's what that. What the hell is a chart? When shorts get tired. Okay, that's for overnights, buddy. You're so off base, it's kind of funny. I've been doing this for 25 years, you know. I have 700 members in here. I think I know what I'm doing. Charts don't work. Oh, I found your chat. Laugh out loud with disrespect. So I said, dude, it's going to come down Harmony to the 175, most probably. Just look, it's going to go there. Size, look at the level 2 is what I teach. Yeah, I expect it to go there, he says. Then I'll buy. Wait for my breakout confirmation was my plan. I said, funny, you just said it was going to go up. Now you say it's going to go down. Which is it? Huh? Which one is it, dude? He's like,
Maybe?
which way is it going to go? Up?
Maybe.
Which way is it going to go? Down?
Maybe.
Down?
M-A-Y-B-E. Let's go with maybe.
Look at the chart I drew. Red arrow showed the signal of what it's going to do. So, oh, it's going to go down. Then it's going to go up. Nice. So right here, size at 65. Look at the chart I drew. Red arrow shows it. Look, come on, dude. I'll take another screenshot when it gets there. We'll see if I was right. Good luck, wild man. What do you think Harmony will do? Just curious. Nothing, dude. Boom. And there's 66. He may drive it higher. But that's about it because it's red, down 3.9%. And the chart on it is just like Riot and the rest of the beaten trend stocks. Everyone owns it at every single point higher. It'll never go up. They're holding everyone down from margin calls. Instead, I made 1,518, 27 on D-Gas, 1175 on here, Heat Biologics 20, lost 85 on MDGS and 226 on Arcadia. Harmony broke out of a pattern on an upward. He's like, dude, Harmony broke out a big fat VWAP.
No. For the last time, no.
Like, dude, what are you talking about? Break out of what?
No.
Didn't break out of nowhere. Harmony. Let's take a look at it. HMNY. Oh, it's 66 by 67. Up, still going in this low. It actually did come up a little bit after that. I drew that. Where is that one? Right here at 1300 hours, which is right here. See, it did go up, made a move to 67. He did drive it higher, as I said it would. But he missed it because he waited for it to come down, which it never did. Oh, boy. Just wait, there's some big news. Not interested in waiting for a penny. It's amateur trading. I'm ahead 10% on the day on TVIX, so I don't care. I trade UVXY all day. If you're not going to join the room, it's not a free chat room. I ain't got no time for that. That's fine. I haven't listened from a word. Thanks for the offer. Sorry. I'm in another trade room for free where I grew from 3,000 to 8,000 in a month. So much free info out there besides people who aren't trying to make money off people who learn this kind of people aren't around anyways. Maybe. Overruled. And that's what I have to deal with him. Instead, I deal with Raymond, who just joined. Raymond, he's going to send me some Bitcoin. Instead, he just did it through PayPal. He's got 20,000, can get up to 100,000. I showed him what the Heinz trade play is right here. That's what I look for. He has with this company, and all you can do right here, you paper trade until you get the system down of Heinz, and then increase the limit to the max loss each day. You need to do 1,000 shares. He has a max loss of $30. You can't do that. You need to do 1,000 shares of every Heinz trade. At the 90-cent mark, like that PPDF at $8, you would have bought like at $7.90 100 shares. Then at $7.95, 200 shares. And then at $7.97 and above, 700 shares. So you'd have 1,000 shares of PPDF. That's the one I just told you about when the show started. Below 8. And it made a move right here to 816. It's right above 8 again. See, it made a move to 816. Right there. And you sell it through. You got it? Okay. How about the shorts? We don't short. Slowly I'll get there. Watch my show, which you're watching right now. Don't chit-chat in here. We only chit-chat in the main room right here. So let's continue. DGAS had made on DGAS $27 for the day on DGAS. Was up only $300 until the trade on here. All of a sudden, I got lucky. Had to bump it. Arcadia right here at 1064. See it at 1080. Caught the beautiful V-band spike. Trend is your friend. Stocks in motion. Stay in motion. And this one's going to be a winner. This one's going to be a winner. Even with the spread of 57 to 64, even with the spread, the pro traders, if you can't see the spread, it's 57 by 64. I'm Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading. I've been doing this for 7 years. I think I know what I'm doing after 1,450, almost 1,500 live trading shows. Yes, been doing this. So then you have a fast mover, hit the Arcadia right there through 11. There's the Heinz. Through 11, right there. UVXY, beautiful mover on our UVXY, which we're trading today. Made on UVXY today, $250 on UVXY. Beautiful move. Lost 95 on Sorrel. 226 on Arcadia. So I'm 2 losses and like 1. Oh, I got 300 of I. I'm up 51 on AVYA. Through the 21.95. I'm at 21.73. I called this one for the Heinz. It went to 21. That's at 95. Already made a nice move. Another $51 realized on the AVYA. See that? That's a beautiful thing. I think I'm gonna go through 22. It's already gone up so much that I'll sell into this. Sell 200. Sold. They just took it like butter. Got 100 AVYA. See the 200 go off? AVYA right there. See it? 2173. I've already realized 42. Unrealized 19. UV's heading up to 13, guys. I'm going to do a break here at the end of the day. Market's going to shed down to 20. It's in a no buy zone of 24,006. It's going to go to 24,005 hunch and go test that number as Bitcoin and Zcash and the others go up beautifully. We got a nice 5-minute V-band spike on AUPH, Arena Pharmaceuticals, 3-day move, AUPH. I'll put it up on my radar. There's no rush to get into that. Let's look at the Avaya right here. I think I got 100 left, up 42. We can do it. Should I just sell it? Did I? What do you think? 2191 by 2? 90 by 91? What do you think? It's going to go up, lower, higher, like the guy.
Maybe.
All I know is got it at 73.
Maybe.
Should have had at least 800 shares by here, but it's all right. Should have made over $100. It's fine, no problem. NPTN. All right, so let's continue what we got going on right here. So UV was a great trade. Arcadia had 100 left at 1083. Unrealized right here. It's at 1130. Beautiful move, 50 center right there in the Mojo room. We were up 400 at the time. That's it, just 400. 273 for Allen. Nice job.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mar. 147 Arcadia for Link, 420 Mickey D, 220 Hawaii, 410. Mojo $343 on the day. Didn't make the move on here yet. This one made a move up right here, ADXS. Already made a move, but it came from a lot. ADXS right here went to 204. Is it 202? Made a move to Hines. So every Hines move always works. Took a break. VNet right here, 565 on VNet. Just because I just took a break, so I'll give everybody the break. Went to 572. Didn't do really much on that VNet. I never bought the VNet. Then we have break time. This is the face you make when sports betting becomes legal. You better believe it. That's pretty funny. Shrax is making a move, but it's low volume, only 31,000. Here's the move on here, an ATTU at 1035. ATTU at $10.35 on the first spike is 1107. It did go to Hines, and it made a beautiful move. Then you have Acre right here through 50 cents. Acre went to 53.3. Great move on Acre. There's the signal in the level 2 that it went through right here at 51. Wow. Trade play called in the MOJO Day Trade room on here. If anyone has any questions at any time, the only way to learn is to ask. Here's the here move, 1500 at 1791, realized 1000, unrealized 162. 1,518 on the day. That's where I finished here with another $50 on this this AVYA stock right there. See that one? Yeah, I'm gonna sell. That's gone. So we'll get out of that one. And I have Fang up 30 bucks on Fang, F-E-N-G that I called when I started the show. So I made everybody a little money right there. I hate the spreads. 490 by 95. I picked it at 84. It went to 507. I missed it. See, doing the show, I missed it. Hope you all got it. Nice. What else? And then you have Rhodes. He did good. And that's it. Joe. Alrighty, and then that's it, boys. AUPH looking hot. Probably gonna go up more, but who cares? Finish the day out at 1600. Pretty much it. Consume portfolio services, 40,000. That looks pretty good. Acres going up, 52, looking good on the first bar. Acre may be a swing. If it goes up another day, it should surely be on the watch list for tomorrow. So the watch list, good question. Where do you get that? On my website, MOJO Day Trading, where you get the day trading school. Click right up here, watch lists. Stock trading watch list. You know, guys, I was in the internet business before this, and a lot of other businesses. Why I'm able to run MOJO Day Trading. I don't need a team of 30 like some of the other sites and gurus. A lot of these guys were teachers, and now they're into stock trading with some success, and they're great. They feel they're great at teaching people the stock trading. Like this guy who came in the room right here and is all into his 1 to 8 that he grew his account. Good job. Great job. Good luck. Good luck. What's the plan to $1 million? Unless you've made it to the final table and won a poker tournament, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? You need to win. Let's see. I used to have the poker club. You know that? Oh yeah, that's when they freaking banned me on PayPal. Bastards. Because I took $25 from someone on my business account for a poker tournament. But I had a home game on I have this right here. Interesting. Found a new file that I didn't even know I had like that. So right here we had Arcadia at 1051, $1.74 scalp and UV this morning. Those are the only two I needed to put on the list. 78 and $1.74. Cryptocurrency is really cool. I haven't updated the watch list because I'm just in these coins right now. You want to search some of the coins, what they are? They're all right here. Zcash is up huge. Let me show you Zcash. And the miners. The miners, my warehouse is 741. I have 182 workers. 2 of them are offline right now. And 741,000 souls is $100,000 a month. That's warehouse right there. Of course, look. Here. See, $100,005. It's 23,000.
Well, yes.
334 a week. 3,333.52 a day. Now, There's no business that breaks it up like this, but I got it down to the 3 digits at $138.896 per hour. And I make $2.03.14 a minute.
Yeah.
That's what that is. That's how it works. And you have all your workers right here showing you all the shares, the 1080 Ti's, the 1070 Ti's. Here's the payments right here. It comes in, get paid every 0.04 and every 0.0405 Zcash. Sometimes it runs over. Let's take this one as the average of 0.0893 Zcash. I come up here to my calculator right here on Cryptonator. Come on, didn't come down. Usually shows me the exchange rates. Do it on this one. We don't want Bitcoin. We want the Cryptonator. It's not working. Oh well. The Bitcoin one is my extension, but the other extension's not. Oh well, let's go into a Cryptopia, into the exchange. Check this out. Look at Zcash, 347 V-band spike. Look at what happened right here. Flying to 400. Look at the all 3 months ago. Look, it's breaking out right above that mark. Shoo, right to 400, 500. Here's the all time. It was at 800. Ooh, look at the spike it made. That's sick. All time. Yeah. Cash. What's the news on the Zcash? Check it out. Coinbase targets a 10 billion institutional investor market with a new suite of products. Ooh. Tweet that. Coinbase announced it's launching a new suite of 4 products. Coinbase Custody Markets, Institutional Coverage Group, and Coinbase Prime. Beautiful. First announced last year, addresses the #1 concern, security. Company explains that the custodial solution, digital, rigorous financial services, multi-signatory audit trails and limits, 20 billion worth of clients crypto. Beautiful. Coinbase Markets, which are centralized. Beautiful. A Chicago-run electronic marketplace that provides a centralized pool of liquidity for all investors, settlement and clearing in the future. Beautiful. 20 million customers. Beautiful. They're blowing it off, blowing the doors off. Top 9 cryptos. Where's Zcash? Has got to be in here somewhere. Let's search for Zcash. Privacy altcoin Zcash announces first update, not expected to be a fork. What's on March 3rd? Nope, there's a new one with the Winklevoss twins. Right here. Zcash spikes to 345 after Gemini announces 2 pairs. I think something happened with the Winkles too. Right here, Winklevoss led Gemini. This is it. List of Zcash to be listed on the exchange. Founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. Ha ha, Mr. Facebook. They got you now. Love it. Share the post. Is that the Winkles? Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. 345. Beautiful. That's why Zcash. So we can come into what to mine right here. And we got the #1 coin to mine for Equihash is Zcash. Right here. That's the Zcash. I'll show you what you can make with the Zcash. So you come into the calculator and you put in, let's say, hash rate. Let's say I want to commit 30,000 megahash of my machines to that. No, let's say I want to do 40. We'll do 45. It's already set. I know I got this. We'll put the power at 0. Just without the power cost and the pool fee 1%. Calculate. Making 5,385 a month. Now you put in the power, 14,000 power watts, and you're at 4,176 net profit a month. 50,000 a year. Not too shabby. I could show everyone how to do that. Crypto fund predicts Zcash will hit over 62,000 by 2025. That's why you gotta mine, boys. Mine the Zcash. I'm telling you. Right there, right in front of you. Ooh, look at that. The global offshore wealth market share. Current Zcash, price of Zcash, 1% of offshore wealth in 2025, 5%, and then 10% puts it at 62,893. Pretty sweet. I'm definitely saving that image. Love that. Gotta love that. It's an orgy. Yeah, basically, it was. All right, so that's the crypto mining right there, and the profitability on the Zcash, the #1 on the market right there.
Zcash is a cryptocurrency built on Bitcoin's codebase that is dedicated to protecting your privacy. It is the first digital currency to combine the immutability of the blockchain with advanced cryptographic techniques to provide secure and completely confidential transactions. This technology is designed for everyone who's interested in exercising their right to privacy. To initialize the Zcash network, a team of veteran computer scientists and engineers used a number of techniques designed to work together to create what we believe was the most remarkable and sophisticated cryptographic ceremony that has ever been executed. This protocol was basically equivalent to generating a public-private key pair, except the key pair was created in pieces. At the end of the ceremony, the public key was assembled to enable proper function of the network, while the unassembled private key pieces were destroyed. While the private key would not have allowed the violation of anyone's privacy, it would have allowed the creation of counterfeit Zcash. So we went to extraordinary lengths to make sure that it never came into existence at all. The ceremony's first core defense was multi-party computation. 6 participants in undisclosed locations across the globe collaborated to construct the public key needed to make Zcash work. Participating parties included an original cypherpunk, a distinguished information security firm, and a Bitcoin core developer whose station was mobile. Each of the 6 participants individually generated only one piece of the 4 public and private keys. The private key pieces were kept isolated through use of the second core defense. An air gap was used to keep the computers which generated the keys physically disconnected from all networks. These air-gapped machines were called the compute nodes. Each of these computers was bought new from a random store and were never connected to any network during their entire life. To make sure, the participants physically removed the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios before powering the computer on. The air gap eliminated most of the ways that could allow someone to potentially compromise these computers, since they were incapable of making or receiving network connections. In addition to these isolated machines, each participant used a separate computer which was connected to the internet, called a network node. To share their processed information with the other participants and construct the public key, the air gap was bridged exclusively with write-once DVDs. The use of these disks constituted a third core defense, the creation of evidence trails. The information learned to the DVDs and passed between the compute nodes and the network nodes cannot be erased later. This way, even if someone were able to somehow get maliciously crafted data onto the disks, they would provide an enduring evidence trail of exactly what messages were passed. We also made a hash chain, a successive series of characters derived from the data of all the ceremony's messages to create a permanent, verifiable record, and we posted those to Twitter, the Internet Archive, and timestamped them into the Bitcoin blockchain. In addition to the 3 core defenses, the participants used a custom-built security-hardened version of Linux, which is now available for public review, along with the software used in the ceremony. Further, several stations documented with photo, video, or audio recordings, and one station invited an independent journalist. When the ceremony was complete, each participant was tasked to destroy any trace of their private key piece. Several creative, or should we say destructive, methods were employed. Zcash is the first protocol of its kind. It is the product of years of scientific research, advanced engineering, and diligent security work. It is designed to provide the privacy critical to freedom in an era of mass surveillance. In fact, we believe it's possible that Zcash may be for economic collaboration what the internet has been for communication. Learn more about Zcash online at z.cash and join us in this exciting time.
Amazing with the Zcash. AUPH went higher to 632. UV 1286 new high. US Auto Parts, like Sorel, S-O-R-L. That's the tag along. When one goes, the other goes. See that? Sorel and PRTS, US Auto Parts. This one may go up tomorrow. UV's headed to 13 for sure. And that's pretty much it. This KSS is Heinzing 63 right here. See if you would have bought it in anticipation of that. You have a beautiful Heinz move of all these 61, 62, 63. These are the biggest moves through Heinz. Look, 62, 62, 61. They're the biggest bars. DMPI. Ooh, look at this big buyer. Oh, yeah, look at this. Excuse me, I got a big one for tomorrow. Look at this guy. He ain't going to get filled. He'll drive it all the way up to freaking, who knows, to this guy. And to these guys, way higher. Top of that's 40, then you got 50, and the top of this is 60. The big one. DMPI, put it up here tomorrow. Live likes media, 18,000, no volume. I remember when GTXI was low, down here at $3. Look at it, it's at 18, went to 24. Amazing. Voxel's moving again. $11. Excuse me. Off's moving again, 634. Voxel's 45-cent spread. How the hell are you going to trade these things? It's so manipulated. How are you going to do that, man? With the spread, it's so you can't see it. Look, it's 1102 by 1130. Even with the spreads, pro traders are beating the market with MOJO Day Trading and MOJO University. Better ask somebody. Here goes Voxel. Big signal at 12. See it? Look at the spread so big, man. And they got a big signal at 12. See it to 73. Right there. Gonna go through. Boxel. Everyone's gonna squeeze it now. They're all short. And then you have UV 86 by 87. Picked that 80 cents ago. It's up $1.43 today. Did great on that. That's pretty much it. So thank you so much for tuning in to the MOJO Day Trading Show. Stay tuned for my upcoming webinars for an introduction on MOJO University to get in on my next live day trading, not school, university. It's a 1-month course every Tuesday and Thursday nights for 2 hours. I sit down with the group just like we are here, and I go through those learning boards, showing you how to set up your business, enabling you for $1 million game plan in a year.
Yes. Yeah!
That's how we do it. Switching to the 15-minute rail grind on UV, staying in it. Look at this. 90 on the UV. Look at this rail grind right here. This is what I teach. This is how you stay in the stocks because you own it so cheap. Beautiful rail grind right there. That's it. So everybody have a great night. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching the show. Peace.